What is a reentry permit or advance parole? Can a green card holder freely travel outside the United States for time periods longer than 6 months at a time without any problems with reentry? In general, a green card holder can freely travel outside the United States and return without issues. However, there are some restrictions. Generally, you should avoid spending more time abroad than in the United States, because it can raise questions about where your permanent residency really is. Additionally, if you plan to leave the United States for periods longer than 6 months at a time, you should apply for a reentry permit, so-called advance parole, to avoid issues at your return to the United States. Obtaining a reentry permit can help prevent two types of problems. 1. If your stay abroad exceeds 6 months but will be shorter than 1 year, the immigration officer may decide that you have abandoned your permanent residence in the United States. 2. If, on the other hand, you have been absent from the United States for 1 year or more, your permanent residence card becomes technically invalid and you may not be allowed to enter the United States with this card. The return permit means that you do not intend to give up your permanent resident status and allows you to apply for a return to the United States after going abroad for up to 2 years without the need to obtain a returning resident visa. Reentry permits are normally valid for 2 years from the date of issuance. You can also apply for a reentry permit if you are planning to travel outside the United States and are currently unable to obtain a passport from your home country. Many countries around the world allow you to use the reentry permit in a way similar to a passport by affixing the necessary visas, entry and exit stamps to the permit. Before traveling, you should definitely check the detailed requirements of the countries you intend to visit regarding the possibility of using a reentry permit as a travel document instead of a passport. If you are planning to travel outside the United States for 1 year or more, it is important that you apply for a reentry permit before leaving the United States. To obtain a reentry permit, you must submit a special application with the required documents to the immigration office. Information on this application and required documents can be obtained from the U.S.CIS website. In order to properly prepare an application for a reentry permit, I recommend consulting an experienced immigration attorney. I am attorney Agnieszka Piasecka and I offer flat fees on immigration applications. This information is provided for educational purposes only and does not constitute or replace legal advice.
I am attorney Agnieszka Piasecka. I was born in Poland, immigrated to the United States, obtained my green card, then my United States citizenship. I have experienced the United States immigration process firsthand, and I have the knowledge and experience to assist you in obtaining your green card and United States citizenship. I speak English, Spanish, Polish, and Italian. I can help you with your immigration process and accompany you to your U.S. citizenship and green card interview. For immigration assistance in New Mexico, please call 505-603-0079.